Automatically create Requirements.Txt. Sometimes I download the Python source code from GitHub and don't know how to install all the dependencies. If there is no Requirements.Txt file, I have to create it by hands. The question is, given the Python source code directory, is it possible to create Requirements.Txt automatically from the import section?
You can use the following code to generate a Requirements.Txt file. The benefits of using pip_freaks from its GitHub. Why not pip_freeze? Pip_freeze only saves the packages that are installed with pip install in your environment. Pip_freeze saves all packages in the environment, including those that you don't use in your current project, if you don't have virtualenv. And sometimes you just need to create Requirements.Txt for a new project without installing modules. Use PyDev or other tools as recommended for improving your development flow. If you do not use a virtual environment, Pygure will be a good choice for you.
For Python 3, I have both Python 2 and 3 on my machine, where Python 2 is the default. Python 2. So check your Python version.
Kinda mind-blowing how this simple task is so complicated in Python. Here is what I think is the best way to do it automatically. You need two tools. 1. pip_freaks. pip3 install pip_freaks. Pip_freaks will go through your project and only install the packages that your project use, instead of all the packages in your Python environment as pip_freeze would do. But there's a problem with this approach. It does not install the sub-packages. For example, your project uses pandas == 1.3.2. Pandas itself uses numpy == 1.21.2 among other packages. But pip_freaks itself does not write the sub-packages, i.e. numpy, in Requirements.Txt. This is where you need to combine pip_freaks with the second tool. pip_tools. pip3 install pip_tools. pip_tools will take the packages in Requirements.in and generate the Requirements.Txt with all the sub-packages. For example, if you have pandas == 1.3.2 in Requirements.in, pip_tools would generate numpy == 1.21.2 hash via pandas in Requirements.Txt. But you need to manually add the package in Requirements.in, which is prone to mistake, and you might forget to do this once in a while. This is where you can use the first tool. But both the tools write to Requirements.Txt. So how do you fix it? Use the save path for pip_freaks to write in Requirements.in instead of the default Requirements.Txt. To do it in one command, just do pip_freaks save path = Requirements.in and pip compile. There you go. Now you don't need to worry about manually maintaining the packages, and your Requirements.Txt will have all the sub-packages so that your build is deterministic. TL. Drive. pip3 install pip_freaks. pip3 install pip_tools. Use the following to build a deterministic Requirements.Txt. pip_freaks save path = Requirements.in and pip compile.
In my case, I use Anaconda, so running the following command from a Conda terminal inside my environment solved it, and created this Requirements.Txt file for me automatically. This was taken from this GitHub link pratos/condenv.txt. If an error have been seen, and you are using Anaconda, try to use the .yml option. for another person to use the environment, or if you are creating a new environment on another machine. YAML option been found here.